MEC is a media agency. We're here to help our clients' businesses grow by delivering exceptional communication strategies, ideas and implementation. One of the important things for me was that Excel Communications got to know MEC as a company. They got to know our brand and they got to know what we were here to do. And I think without that, then the training doesn't have as much importance.
Talent is one of our top 5 business priorities. We invest a lot in our people because we believe that they are the future of MEC. We're continually looking at ways to upskill our people in order to enable them to evolve with the business.
What happens is people walk in the room and turn their brains off. They go into autopilot. One of our jobs when we're presenting is to turn people's brains on.
I think what makes Excel Communications different from other training companies is that we really do bespoke the training that we deliver. We don't just take something off the shelf and make it fit for that client. We'll design training and development that will really tailor to their individual needs.
Guy is running a presentation skills course 2-day programme with delegates from across Europe, Middle East and Africa. Guy is extremely practical and he makes them get up, stand up and practice and put the skills into practice immediately, which is really effective.
Okay, makes sense? Up you go.
What Excel Communications said they would do, they did. They sort of mapped out a very clear structure on how we would sort of shape and scope the programme. I think that to me was really important. We're all busy in our jobs and it was good to have Excel Communications there sort of to rely on and I felt that I could rely on them very early on in terms of the service levels that they were providing to me.
Yeah, there's 2 things about presentations. One, practice, 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 and the other is planning, planning, planning. The better we plan, the more effective we'll be in here.
To me, the type of the training that Excel Communications runs and the way it is facilitated is what makes it really special. And I think that in a media agency, we have a very young, dynamic environment and that really, the training really works for our people.
This training for me has been really useful because I've learned how to communicate with people and not necessarily use your PowerPoint, but actually getting your word across.
It's been good to kind of analyse and become more self-aware about presenting styles, gestures specifically for me. I was looking at stance and building rapport with the audience. Stand up, you get analysed, you get filmed, you then do it again and work on specific points that are called out as you work through.
From the first day yesterday till now is a big difference.
We firmly believe part of our ambition is to be our clients' true valued business partner and work with them to produce exceptional results. And I believe that we have the same relationship with Excel that enables us to deliver the best learning and development for our people.